The Baltican Titanium Camping Lunch. Bento Box 1200 ml is a game changer for survivalists, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable, lightweight, and durable food storage solution. Crafted from food-grade titanium, this bento box weighs only 254 grams, making it ultralight for backpacking, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Its 1200 ml capacity holds a full meal, perfect for sustaining energy during long treks or survival scenarios. The airtight lid, secured with 2 sturdy hook locks and a removable silicone gasket, ensures leak-proof storage, even for liquids like soup, keeping your pack mess-free. A standout feature is its foldable handle, allowing you to safely reheat meals over an open fire, ideal for cooking in the wild. The titanium construction is corrosion-resistant, non-toxic, and won't impart flavors, ensuring your food stays fresh and pure. Dishwasher-safe and stackable, it's easy to clean and store, doubling as a container for gear like tinder or matches. Built to last a lifetime, this bento box is a must-have for rugged adventures or daily use. The Bicina sleeping bag with pillow is a versatile, 4-season companion for survivalists, campers, and hikers seeking comfort and reliability in the wild. Weighing just under 4 pounds, this lightweight bag packs into a compression sack for easy portability, perfect for backpacking or emergency kits. Its 210T polyester shell is waterproof and tear-resistant, protecting you from light drizzle and rough terrain. Filled with 400 GSM hollow cotton, it boasts a 32-degree Fahrenheit rating, keeping you warm in near-freezing conditions. The included pillow adds extra comfort, while the half-circle hood with adjustable drawstring traps heat for chilly nights. A standout feature is the dual zipper design, allowing you to pair 2 bags for couples or open the footbox for ventilation. The high-quality SBS zipper ensures smooth, snag-free operation, and an internal gear pocket keeps essentials like your phone or flashlight secure. Machine washable and durable, this bag is built for rugged adventures, offering cozy, skin-friendly warmth for a restful sleep under the stars, whether camping or surviving off-grid. The Gerber Suspension NXT 15-in-1 Multi-Tool is a compact powerhouse for survivalists, campers, and EDC enthusiasts, evolving from the classic suspension with a slimmer, lighter design. Weighing just 6.7 OZ and measuring 4.25-inch closed, it's 25% lighter than its predecessor, with a pocket clip for easy carry in pockets or on belts. Its stainless steel butterfly design houses 15 locking tools, including spring-loaded needle nose pliers, a 2.25-inch combo blade, scissors, wire stripper, can or bottle opener, audiole, file, ruler, and small, medium, large flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. The outboard tools are accessible without opening the tool, perfect for quick fixes in survival scenarios or daily tasks. Built for medium-duty use, it's ideal for hiking, camping, or emergency kits, though not suited for heavy torquing. The corrosion-resistant construction ensures durability in rugged environments, backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty. While some users note the scissors are small and locks can be stiff, its versatile tool set and portability make the Suspension NXT a reliable